Good morning students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class. Class 4, chapter number 4, that is more on logo. So in last video we all have seen the pen down and pen up commands. So in this video we are going to see some more interesting command like paint the line and set color of a paint turtle. So we'll start. Students, take out your page number 39 of your course book and we are going to discuss our checkpoint number 1. The turtle draws a dash as it moves on the screen. Line. The PU command is used to lift the pen of the turtle. The pen down command is used to put down the pen of the turtle. The turtle moves but no line after the dash command. So after the pen command there is no line. You have to complete in your course book checkpoint number 1. So we are going to discuss our pen erase command. Means how to erase the pen. So the pen erase command is used to set the pen of the turtle on erase mode. It's not erased. It only set the mood. It first only set the mood and then after we give us some command and then after it clears the units. In this mode the turtle erases lines as it moves on the screen. In this mode the turtle cannot be used to draw a line. So the shortcut of a pen erase command is PE. Now we are going to see the one example like in our course book. First is FD100. Forward 100 units, so it goes 100 like this line. Then after I give one command that is PE, pen erase command. So it turn on the mode, it only turn on the mode, no effect will be shown here. Then after I give BK30, BK means backward 30, so it rub 30 units from here. So like this pen erase command is used. Same as now we are going to see pen paint command. Pen paint command is used to change the erase mode to paint mode. When the erase mode is on, now we want to change the erase mode to paint mode. So we are going to use pen command mode. This command is used for erasing the line so that the turtle starts drawing the lines again. Because in pen erase mode it stops starting the line, and in paint command we are starting the drawing the lines. The short form for the pen command is PPT. So we are going to see one example of PPT command. Example FD100, it's forward the turtle by 100 units. PE, that is pen erase already mode is on. BK30 that we have done in the last example. Then after I put a command PPT. Paint mode is set now. Now if I give one command forward, so it gives the new units. It gives the new unit to our turtle with the 20 units line. Now we are going to see the next command, that is step pane color command. So in this we are going to give the color to our command. We are going to color the turtle line. So this all the command short form is set PC and the color codes are as given in this table: black, blue, green, cyan, red, pink, yellow, white, and course code are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I am going to show you one example in our from the course book. First home, only turtle is there. Then after I give set PC1 and forward 100. So first I have given the color blue and it gives the output blue and 100 units. Then after RT, that it goes to anti-clockwise right side 120. So it turtles round like this. Okay. Then after again I have changed the color with green. So it goes to turtle like this. Again I have given one command right 120. The turtle goes to the right side 120 degree. Then after again I have changed the color to the red. So it gives the output like this. 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. this checkpoint you all have to do it, and I will ask you in the Zoom class that you have done or not. Okay, two short commands are remaining now: hide and show turtle. Hide means that turtle, the square turtle, we have to hide, and we can show the turtle only. The short form for the hide turtle is HT. So first, what happened in this example, they all are use these commands: first forward, then right, then again forward, right, and forward. And this output will created after giving this all command. And then after I typed HT, so it hide the turtle. Dekho, here one triangle is there and it hide by using HT command. Likewise, show turtle command. Show turtle command is used to display the turtle again on the screen. If I write ST, then it shows our turtle on the screen.
Pen color command. Do you know how to draw shapes of different colors using logo? Suja knows how to draw a rectangle in logo. Now, she wants to draw 3 rectangles, each with a different color. One in red, one in blue, and another in green. She goes to her mom for help.
Mom, how can I change the color of the line in logo?
Her mom replies,
You can use the set pen color command to change the pen color.
how to use the set pen color command in detail. The set pen color command is used to set the color of the pen of the turtle. This lets the turtle draw lines in different colors. The short form for set pen color command is setPC. To different colors, specify the color code along with the setPC command. For example, to draw in black, use 0. For blue, use 1. Similarly, the turtle will draw lines in green color if you use 2. Look at the table for some of the other color codes. Let's see how Suja draws a rectangle with different colors using the set pen color command. First, use the setPC4 command to set the color of the pen of the turtle to red. Then, draw the first rectangle with the following commands: FD80, RT90, FD60, RT90, FD80, RT90, and FD60. Now, move to another location on the screen using the commands: pen up, FD10, and pen down. Then, change the pen color to blue using the setPC1 command. Then, draw another rectangle using these commands: FD80, FD60, RT90, FD80, RT90, and FD60. Sequence of commands, Suja can draw the third rectangle in green color. The color code for green is 2. Suja now knows how to draw lines in different colors using the set pen color command. Here is an activity for you. Create blue, red, and green colors.
3 of course book. I observe. Type the following logo commands and draw the output in the box. As I have done this too for you all, these commands I have written down and I apply to the command MS logo, and this output comes. Okay, first it is forward, right, then pen up, forward, pen down, right, and forward. This kind of command I have put it. So I want to give you one homework. I extend. Type the following logo in logo. Draw the output as in the box given next to the command. So you have to write these commands and you have to give me the output in this box. Okay. This chapter from logo, we have learned that always follow the instructions as given by your teacher. In case you face any problem, simply raise your hand and ask the teacher. And in this chapter, you all remember we have learned so many commands: step, pen color, paint, erase, pen up, down. So we are going to end this chapter, and in next chapter we are going to do more about logo. I hope you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to read your course book at your home daily, because for understanding the concept very clearly. Bye students, be safe, stay home.